Welcome back guys to another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be trying to explain more about how to keep wallets and exchanges secure, because there is a lot of wallets which are scam, there is a lot of exchanges which are scam. Now stay with me till to the end of this video. I will have explained more about the wallets we recommend you to use, about the exchanges we recommend you to use, and how are you going to be using these particular items, wallet and exchanges. Don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this video, and also commenting down in the description if you feel this video is so valuable to you. Now, signing up with our broker is the first priority, which is BINANCE crypto exchanger, which is the largest crypto exchange in the whole world. So sign up with BINANCE, because the link will be down there in the description to start your trading journey. You'll be able to trade over 600 cryptocurrencies plus investing in them. Okay, let me hope you have already subscribed and liked this video so many times. Let me head to my notes and see what I have for you today. Now our topic is majorly focusing on how to keep wallets and exchanges secure. The first way to keep wallets and exchanges secure is store your cryptocurrency private keys. You get it? The second one is back up your cryptocurrency private keys. Now these two sentences tend to be the same, but let me explain. If they say store your cryptocurrency private keys, that means these private keys, they are sort of like backups. Now these backups are being encrypted with the owner of that particular wallet, but you find also the owner of that particular wallet has no access about your funds. Let me say if you have lost your wallet or you have forgotten your backup keys. Now these backup keys, they are simple written words in phrases. They can be 10 words, they can be 12 words, they can be 20 words. Now when you're opening up your exchanger or wallet, that means you have to take caution on those private keys and find a way where to keep them safe. You can either write down in your diary book or notebook and keep them, or you can back them up on your Google Drive or Gmail account. Those are the most ways you can keep these private keys secure or in a simple way whereby no one cannot access them except you, who is the owner of this wallet or exchange. Don't keep all your cryptocurrencies in a single place. Now this is a clear mistake to go. Mostly the beginners who have just approached the crypto market. Do not keep your cryptocurrencies in a single place. Sorry. Now, do not keep all your cryptocurrencies in a single place. Why? Let me say you have most of your currencies in an exchanger. Now these exchanges, they are owned by particular companies or an individual. So if that person or an individual, let me say, dies and no one has access to this system, that means most of the clients or all the clients using that particular exchanger, they're gonna lose their money. Now it's good to make sure that you have some money on wallets, you have some money on different exchanges, you have some money backed up on a nano ledger, because we already made a video explaining more about the nano ledger. So go to Crypto Devs Coin YouTube channel, search on nano ledgers, you will get to know what's a nano ledger. Now it helps you to find a way of making sure that your cryptos or wallets holding on your wallets and crypto and exchanges, they are safe. Another point is back up your entire wallet. Now this is what I was trying to explain here. Now, backing up your entire wallet, that means even if you haven't got the phrase which they provide you when opening up a wallet, but when you go to settings, this is where you can also still back up your wallet. Now these are two things. There are some wallets now, like Trust Wallet. When you're opening up an account in it, they give you this phrase which you back up, even if they steal your phone, or when you lose your phone, or when your phone gets spoiled, you can easily back up your portfolio. But there's this same wallet now, like the blockchain wallet. You can even back up this particular wallet through going in the settings and doing that, backing up your wallet. Now these are two different ideas. Now, if you have opened that particular wallet, go in the settings, back up your wallet. Another one is encrypt online backups. It's what I was trying to explain. When you have got this particular phrase of yours, you can save it on a Google Drive, you can save it on a Gmail account. So get a way to find your phrase is in particular way whereby it is safe. Another one is use many secure locations. When you have backed up your wallet, don't also keep this backup phrase only on one place. No. That's why I told you, if you have your backup keys in the Gmail account or Google Drive, also get a notebook, write them down, indicate that this backup wallet is for Trust Wallet, this one is for Blockchain Wallet, this one is for all those wallets, Coin Payments, Coinbase, all those wallets have backups. Try to write down those particular phrases, the words which they provide to you, write them down. Another one is use a Google Authenticator app. Now, Google Authenticator app, this is an application which tries also to keep your wallets and exchanges secure. In a way, this particular app provides codes, but these particular codes, they keep on changing every after like 30 seconds. They keep on changing. Now, if someone doesn't have these backup codes of yours, there is no way he or she can access your wallet or exchanger. There is another one which is make regular backups. Now these backups, make regular backups, this means keep on trying to checking out these different backup codes of yours to see, are they still the same? Did you copy any backup? Because I have a tendency whereby some wallet I tried to copy the backup key, but I didn't finish all the words, so I lost my money. So I don't want you to be such a victim. Make sure that the words you have copied on your backup wallet, are they the same with the words you wrote in you written in your notebook? If they are not, then try to make a change when still early before you lose your money. I don't know whether we are together. Now there is another one which is use SMS authentication. Now this SMS authentication is the same like those SMS you receive when you are trying to back up your Gmail account. The Google's Alvarez editor illustration here. Now also these authentications, they are usually used in exchanges now like BINANCE. When you open up your exchange BINANCE, they tell you to choose. You using the SMS authenticator or the Google authenticator, you only choose once. Now if you're using the SMS authenticator, that means for anyone to access your exchanger, he or she must have your number, phone number, because This authentication they are sent through messages, and these messages they are connected to your SIM card. So if anyone doesn't have this SIM card of yours, there is no way it's going to access your account. And the last one, which is email authentication, is also one way to keep your wallets and exchanges secure, is using the correct email when you're signing up with a wallet or signing up with a particular exchange, because they will be notifying you, giving you updates through this particular email. I don't know whether we are together. So do not open up an exchange or wallet with an email which is not yours, because you will lose your money. The only way to log into your wallets or exchanges, there is no way you can log into your exchange without a Gmail account. So take note about using other people's Gmail accounts. One day, one time, they will steal your money. Now, that's all we had for you today. In this particular video, we were explaining how to keep wallets and exchanges secure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Signing up with our reliable crypto broker, which is BINANCE Limited, and also following us on our social media platforms, plus joining our free Telegram channel. All the links are down in the description. Another thing we shall not forget, guys, thank you for subscribing to our channel. We have already hit 50 subscribers, so let's push it to 100 subscribers, because a lot of content is still coming.